Got weeds popping up in your mulch beds, around rocks, or between your flowers? In this video, I'll walk you through how to remove or kill weeds the right way, step by step. Whether you're looking for clean lines or healthier plants, we've got you covered. Here's what you'll need. Gloves to protect your hands, a weeding tool for precise weed removal, a bucket or bag to collect the weeds, weed killer spray for stubborn weeds, pre-emergent to prevent future growth, mulch to cover the soil and retain moisture, and a leaf blower or rake for cleanup. All simple, affordable, and easy to use. First, walk your landscape beds and see what you're dealing with. Are they growing under mulch, in the rocks, near your flowers? Take note. This will tell you if you need to pull, spray, or both. Identify the types of weeds. Broadleaf weeds have wider leaves, grassy weeds look like grass, and sedges have triangular stems. For broadleaf weeds, hand pulling works best. Grassy weeds can be hoed out, and sedges often require specific herbicides. Wet the soil first if possible. It makes pulling easier. Use gloves or a weeding tool and remove weeds low at the base. Pull steady and try to get the root. For tougher weeds like crabgrass, loosen the soil with a trowel first. In clay or rocky soil, use a spade to break up the ground before pulling. For particularly stubborn weeds, a hoe or forked weeding tool can be very effective. After removing weeds, consider adding compost to improve soil structure and make future weeding easier. For bigger weed patches or roots too deep to pull, use a non-selective herbicide. Spray directly onto the leaves, ideally on a dry, calm day. Avoid spraying flowers or grass, and don't oversaturate. A light mist will do. Always wear gloves and a mask to protect yourself from chemicals. The best time to apply weed killer is early morning or late afternoon. Read the label for specific instructions and follow them carefully. Wait 24 to 72 hours. Weeds will wilt and die back. Then you can remove what's left with your hands or a rake. Use a garden hoe or trowel for stubborn roots. Collect the debris in a compost bin or garbage bag. Repeat any stubborn spots after a few days. To prevent future growth, apply a pre-emergent herbicide like preen to block seeds from sprouting. Then spread fresh mulch or rock to choke out light and create a barrier. Keep mulch about 2 to 3 inches deep. Pro tips: edge your beds, apply pre-emergent twice a year, and keep an eye out for early regrowth so you can spot treat before things get out of hand. And just like that, no more weeds. Clean lines, healthier plants, and no more back-breaking yard work every weekend. Like and subscribe for more real-life landscaping tips right here with DIY with Dad.